My name is Vladimir. Full name you want?
No, that's fine.
No? Vladimir, you can call me Vlad. Yeah, from Brazil. This looks impossible for some people. Some people can't believe you can make a living out and raise a family doing this, but you can. I got a daughter that just graduated, so sometimes take time to find your craft. So don't give up easy if you decide to do something. I'm the living example. No, the living proof. The living proof.
I hope you can join us in the world could live as one. You know, imagine that there's no heaven above us, only sky. You know, no religion, and like to go beyond these things and to come together. I don't know if you've had the experience when you're doing a drawing or a painting or a sculpture, you kind of feel like it's not you that's doing it. Have you ever had that? Yes. Where's that coming from? I mean, some people call it some sort of spiritual thing that's coming through us when we're creating. I don't know what it is, but it's really mysterious. And that's where I try to get to, and that's why I encourage you to go to stay there. My name is Citrus Simon, and I've been playing guitar for about 30 years, doing music for 30 years. And so it's really like a journey, yeah? It's like a journey to sort of like go inwards.
And the people bow and pray to the neon god they made. And the sun flashed out its warning in the sign that it was for me. And the sign said the words of